Okay, I just got the gold door bonus on the 5 Treasures Explosion. I'm usually a fan of the turtles, but those the green cats are also tempting. But I'm gonna go with the safest bet. This is a $10 bet. I'm gonna try my luck on the turtles. 6 free games. Let's see what we can get out of this, guys. $20 hit. $80 hit. Oh, that's a nice one. $320 hit. Check that out, guys. Beautiful. And we still got 3 spins. Let's see if we can get any more. $40 hit. $40 hit again. And we're down to 1 spin left, guys. Let's see what we get. Oh, another $160 hit. Not bad. And does that pot look like it wants to burst? Okay, and the pot is about to burst. Let's see what we can get here just to finish this bonus off. Okay, minor. And of course the mini. But hey, that was one hell of a bonus, guys. I thank you for watching. And please make sure you click like, subscribe. This 5 Treasures Explosion is an amazing game. We'll see you next time.